Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're flying into the tropical jungle to draw bright and colorful kawaii toucan with its big beak and cheerful eyes. It's a fun and easy drawing perfect for all ages. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our cute and creative drawing tutorials. And here's a question for you. If you could turn any bird into a kawaii character, which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments, we might draw your idea next. Let's spread our wings and start drawing. Amazing work! Artists, your kawaii toucan looks colorful, tropical, and totally adorable. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you had fun, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other animal and kawaii drawing videos. There's a whole world of cute waiting for you. Keep practicing, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.